Well, I think it's a common experience for almost every organisation these days that we need to do more with less. And that managing the performance of our teams and our staff is becoming more and more critical to business success. Most organisations these days will have an appraisal system. They'll have some very clear targets that staff need to achieve in terms of performance, and there'll be some policies and some procedures, some processes to go through when people aren't meeting the performance level that's necessary. And yet, wherever I go, I find that line managers are reporting still feeling a lack of confidence or a level of discomfort in having these conversations with their team members. So we've put together a workshop. It's a one-day workshop which we run with small groups, so no more than about 10 people, that allows line managers to really think through what it is that they're finding challenging about performance conversations, how they can practically prepare themselves so there's far less likelihood of finding themselves on the back foot during the process, how to manage things when they are on the back foot, where someone has become upset or has responded angrily to what's being said. And most crucially of all, I think, to try and create a real feeling that performance management is a positive thing for everybody. It's about supporting that individual so that they can achieve what's needed for the company and everyone can go on to success together. As I say, it's a one-day workshop. I've had some really good feedback on it. People are reporting that even where they've got multiple team members that need to be performance managed at the same time, they're reporting that they feel much more in control and able to move it forward. If you think this might be helpful for you or for any team in your organisation, I'd be delighted to talk to you. Thank you.